Can you tell me why it was important and how important it is to have a tour like this to, keep Shane's legacy going?
Well, to me personally, of course, it's so important, and to Victoria as well. But I think to the town of Nina and the surrounds, it's equally as important, because they absolutely adore Shane and he adored this place. And I think to celebrate his most treasured places, like the Shannon, like the villages of Kilbarron, the Carney, these are all the actual, if you like, once were secret places of my childhood, where we walked together, where we dreamed together, where it was just everything to us, that place. And when we go home to England or London, we always wanted to come back here. And I have said before that Shane never lost that. I think a lot of second generation Irish people have that for Ireland, but Shane's passion never ever faded. That's what made him extraordinary, I think. So for him, this tour would just be like a pinnacle of achievement, Well, since Shane died, actually before he died, a lot of people would tell me how important he was to them. But since he died, I think people have a need to tell me. And it's amazing to me how the effect that he's had on so many people's lives. It's quite profound. It's not just light, it's big and heavy, and they really love him. And they want me to know that, how much they meant to him, how much maybe that way too, but how much he meant to them. And it has been sometimes difficult, when you're in the mourning phases. It's like anything, like when people used to talk to me about Mum, sometimes when they talk to me about Shane, it can hurt, but I'm always grateful. And I always love that they love him. I always love that they love him,